Hi, in this video, we are going to discuss differences between CMA USA course and CA India course. First, I introduce CMA USA course and also CA India course, and thereafter I take up the differences. Let's get started. Hello, my name is Praveen. I am the co-founder of Target Academy. So first of all, I will introduce what is CMA USA course and what is CA, Chartered Accountancy course. So first of all, CMA USA. CMA USA course is a international course. Actually, it is offered by IMA Institute, which was registered in USA. Even though it was registered in USA, it has branches in 140 countries, including India. As it is true, you can do CMA USA from your hometown and from your home. As there is a coaching available in India, we offer coaching for CMA USA, and also exams are conducted in India. CMA USA exams are conducted in India. This is a very greatest advantage. You can write CMA USA exams from India. There are the centers in Hyderabad, Chennai, and Bangalore. So throughout the metro cities, throughout India, there are centers are there. So, and also CMA USA is a very simple course. It has only two papers to qualify. Within a span of 6 to 9 months, you can complete CMA USA. So it is very tremendously growing professional course across the world. Whereas in case of CA, Chartered Accountancy, you all know what is second Chartered Accountancy. It is offered by ICA Institute. So it is one of the difficult courses. So even though it is difficult, it has a greatest grace after you qualify. So, but you need to spend 5 to 6 years to qualify, and you need to spend a lot of money. At first, eligibility. First differences is eligibility. To pursue CMA USA, the eligibility is degree pursuing student is eligible. If you registered with degree, you are eligible. Or if you have completed, you are also eligible. Either degree studying student or degree completed students, you are all eligible to pursue CMA USA. Whereas in case of CA, you need to qualify 12 plus 2. So after plus 2, you can do chartered accountancy, right? Next, duration. The duration of CMA USA is, like I said, so 6 to 9 months. You can complete S, you can complete CMA USA within 6 to 9 months. This is a very shortest period of time. It also, you have a professional degree. It's a very tremendously growing professional degree. Whereas in case of CA, you complete minimum 5 years it will take if you have completed in first attempt. If you take attempts, then it will goes to 6 to 7 years, right? In case of number of papers, CMA USA has only two papers, whereas in case of CA, there are 16 papers and also foundation 4 papers. Around 20 papers are there in CA. You need to qualify 20 papers to get the CA qualification. But to get a CMA USA qualification, you need to qualify only two papers. There are only two papers. Or job opportunities. Yes, for CMA USA, there are global job opportunities. So in India also, there are job opportunities in MNC companies and big four audit firms like Deloitte, KPMG, EY, and PwC. Whereas in case of CMA, CA, Chartered Accountancy, there are job opportunities in India. Obviously, it is one of the toughest course, and if you qualify that course, obviously there will be a job opportunities in India. But outside India, only a few countries will accept a CA. Whereas in case of CMA USA, it is accepted by all over the world in 140 countries. Next, course structure. As CMA USA has only two papers, you need to qualify only two papers to get the job. But in case of CA, you need to qualify entire 20 papers, then only you get the job. If you drop out in the middle of the course, it will not provide any fetching. There is no value for the uncompleted course of CA. Only if you have completed CA, then only there is a value, right? So job exam pattern. Yes, CMA USA is an objective exam. It is an MCQ pattern. Both the papers are MCQ pattern. Whereas in case of CA is an offline exam, CMA USA is an online exam and MCQ pattern. Whereas CA India is an offline exam and descriptive pattern. You need to study and remember and retrieve that thing. And paper-wise exams. Yes, CMA USA can write paper-wise and syllabus is very less. Whereas in case of CA India, you have to write group-wise and syllabus is very vast. If you fail in one subject in that group, you need to write another papers also. Even though you qualified that subject, you need to write once again. So you need to get either exemption in that paper or you need to get an aggregate. If you fail to get exemption or fail to get the aggregate, you need to write entire papers once again. So that is the rules in CA. But in case of CMA USA, there are no such rules. You can write paper wise. There are only two papers. One paper you write in one time, another paper you write in another time. So qualify in the both papers. Next, pass percentage. The CMA USA pass percentage is 40%, whereas in case of CA India, the pass percentage is 5 to 10%. So it is 40% is a very minimum percent, even though in India the percentage is 50 to 60%. Next, exams. CMA USA exams conducted in quarterly manner. That is, every 3 months they will conduct exams. That is a very greatest advantage to the student to qualify the course within a less duration. Whereas in case of CA India, the exams are conducted in half yearly manner, and you need to wait for the minimum period, like to attempt the exam, and also you need to have a minimum waiting period of articleship period 3 years is there. That's why it is a 5 years course. But whereas in case of CMA USA, there is no waiting period, there is no articleship period. You can directly go into the job and you can start your earnings in early time. Next, salary package. For CMA, there is a small, less salary package because you are going early. That's why for 2 years, so there is only 4 to 6 lakhs, but after that it will grow tremendously, right? For CA, you are waiting for the 7 years. That's why they pay 6 to 8 lakhs. Even though in CMA USA it is bit low initially, but over a period of time, the both are equal, right? Cost for CMA USA, the cost is 50,000 to 1 lakh, whereas in case of CA India, the cost is 2 lakhs to 3 lakhs. As actually for CA, it is very costly to get the coaching and the registration fees, everything. Whereas in case of CMA USA, you can complete entire course, including registration fees, exam fees, everything with a 50,000 only. And you got the if you got the scholarship, or if you are a student, you get the scholarship. If you are not the student, then the cost will be 1 lakh rupees. So these are the differences between CMA USA and CA India. And my advice, if you are a degree studying student or if you have degree completed student, so you want to pursue a professional course, CMA USA is the best option to you because you can complete within a 1 year or within 6 to 9 months. Whereas in case of CA, you will take another 7 years in your life. You need to wait another 7 years to get into the job. So this is the best thing. So CMA USA is the best thing. You can settle early in life, right? So my best advice to pursue CMA USA and settle early in life. So, sir, okay, I understood what is CMA USA and differences between CMA USA and CA. Where CMA USA coaching is available. Yes, I am Praveen. I am from Target Academy. So the coaching is available at Target Academy. I am also one of the faculty group in Target Academy. What is the specialty of this Target Academy? Yes, we have a special futures. That's why our students qualified early and also get jobs in a greatest manner. So first specialty is our classes. We conduct physical classes, online classes, and also we give recorded of the classes to the students, and we give that recorded classes access in n number of times views and lifetime access until the student qualify. Even if the student misses out the classes, whatever happened, is sent to that student in an immediate manner after completion of class. So thereby the student can be attached to the class and the concept. Our faculty is a well experienced and well qualified faculty. They explain each and everything in detailed manner. So we have a non-common students also. We explain basics. We explain from basics and we explain each and everything. Even though they don't know debit and credit, we explain each and everything from the basics. That's why the classes in a detailed manner. Next, material is one of the specialty. Another specialty, material is very, very important for qualification. So we offer colored material and fast track material, booster material. These material is very helpful for the qualification and for preparation and revision also. So this is the specialty. Next, revision exams are very, very essential for qualification of the course. So if you don't write the revision exams, actually, if you completed the coaching and the concept, and if you don't write the revision exams, it will be very difficult to qualify. That's why we offer revision exams. We conduct weekend exams during the coaching, and we conduct revision exams after the completion of coaching during the revision period, and we conduct mock tests before you go into the exam. After you have written all these exams, you get a very confidence and you definitely and easily qualify the course. That is also another specialty of. The next one, sir, we are official. If you have registered through us and if you are done a coaching through us, You get the discounted registration fee, you get the discounted material fee. So if you want to you have to buy a official material Wiley like that. We get the discounted material as we provide the material actually. So that is our material. You need to take a official material. Actually, you want to take a Wiley material like anything others. So you need we offer for a discount price because we are an official partner. We have an agreement with the parties, right? What about MCQ explanation? We explain each and every MCQ and we cover all types of MCQs, and also we explain MCQ in a detailed manner. So we should not tell what is right, what is incorrect, what is correct. We should also tell the reason for A, B, C, D options, why the C option is correct, why other options are incorrect. We explain reasons for each and every option in a detailed manner, and we link with the concept. And we have a software is very, because this is an online exam, so our software is very similar to the main exam software. That's why our students feel very comfortable in the main exam because they have already practiced our software which is similar to that software. So these are the specialities of Target Academy. If you want to pursue CMA USA, this is the best place to learn. So believe me, this is the best place to learn. Okay. So in other places, you won't get this all types of special features. So that's all for this video. All the best for your future. If you want any other details, contact to these numbers. So okay, all the best for your future. Bye.